Hello, good day viewers. You are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to prove this matrix question on the board. We have given this question, we have given that matrix A contain the element 2, 3, 4, and 2. Then matrix B contain this element 6, 1, 2, and 4. And we're asked to show that lambda multiplied by A plus B is equal to lambda A plus lambda B. If today is your first time of watching, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok at your best online tutorial. So let's get started. Solution. So what we are going to do, we are going to evaluate the left hand side first, then we keep our answer, then we evaluate the right hand side, then we compare our answer whether this lambda multiplied by A plus B is equal to lambda A plus lambda B. So from the left hand side we have lambda multiplied by A plus B. So the first thing for us to do is to get the value of our AB, and recall the matrix is given matrix A and matrix B. And in our previous class we have learned how to add two matrices, a square matrix together. So let us get our A plus B. So my A plus B now will be equal to, what is the element of A? Element of A is 2, 3, 4, and 2. So we have 2, 3, and 4, and 2. Then plus the element of matrix B, which is 6, 1, 2, and 4. So we have 6, 1, 2, and 4. So the next thing to do is to add these two matrices together. So we have A plus B will be equal to 2 plus 6, it will give me 8. Then 3 plus 1, it will give me 4. Then 4 plus 2, it will give me 6. Then 2 plus 4, it will also give me 6. This is the element of my A plus B. Then we go back to our question, and the question is lambda multiplied by A plus B. So we are going to get the value of lambda multiplied by A plus B. So get the elements, we have lambda multiplied by A plus B, and we have already get the element of A plus B. So we are going to have lambda then multiplied by, what is the value of the element of our A plus B is 8, 4, 6, then 6. So we have 8, 4, 6, then the last one is 6. So to get the multiplication, we are going to use lambda to multiply by each element in this bracket. So my lambda A plus B will be equal to lambda multiplied by 8, it will give me 8 lambda. Then lambda multiplied by 4, it will give me 4 lambda. Lambda multiplied by 6, it will give me 6 lambda. Then lambda multiplied by 6 is also give me 6 lambda. So this is the value of my lambda A plus B from the left hand side. So let us go to the right hand side. From the right hand side we have lambda A plus lambda B. So what we are going to do is to solve for lambda A first. So we have lambda multiplied by, what is the element of matrix A? Is 2, 3, 4, and 2. So we have 2, 3, 4, and 2. So this is the element in matrix A. So what we are going to do is to use this lambda to multiply by each element in this matrix A. So we have lambda A now will be equal to 2. This is lambda A. So we have lambda multiplied by 2, it will give me 2 lambda. Then lambda multiplied by 3, it will give me 3 lambda. Then lambda multiplied by 4, it will be 4 lambda. Then lambda multiplied by 2, it will also give me 2 lambda. So we have evaluate lambda A. So let us evaluate the value of lambda B. So we have my lambda B now will be equal to lambda, then into the bracket of element of B. And element of B is 6, 1, 2, and 4. So we have 6, 1, 2, then 4. So this is the element in matrix B. So to get lambda B, so we are going to use lambda to multiply by each element in matrix B. So if we are lambda multiplied by 6, it will give me 6 lambda. Then lambda multiplied by 1, it will be lambda. Then lambda multiplied by 2, it will be 2 lambda. Then lambda multiplied by 4, it will give me 4 lambda. So we have getting lambda A and lambda B. So the next thing to do is to add lambda A, lambda B. So we are going to have lambda A plus lambda B will be equal to, what's our lambda A? This is the element of lambda A. We have 2 lambda, 3 lambda, then 4 lambda, then the last one is a 2 lambda. Then plus we are going to add it to lambda B element. So element of lambda B is 6 lambda, 1 lambda. So we have 6 lambda, then 2 lambda and 4 lambda. So we have 2 lambda here, then 4 lambda. So this is the element in my lambda matrix B. So the next thing to do is to add these two square matrices together. So we are going to have lambda A plus lambda B will be equal to, open a bracket, 2 lambda plus 6 lambda, it will give me 8 lambda. Then 3 lambda plus 1 lambda, it will give me 4 lambda. Then 4 lambda plus 2 lambda, it will give me 6 lambda. Then 2 lambda plus 4 lambda, it will also give me 6 lambda. This is the left hand side. And if we check from this is the right hand side. And if you check from the left hand side, we have lambda multiplied by A plus B, which is equals to 8 lambda, 4 lambda, 6 lambda, and 6 lambda. And in the right hand side, we have lambda A plus lambda B, which is 8 lambda, 4 lambda, 6 lambda, and 6 lambda. So if you look at these two answers here, so we have shown that this is equivalent to this because our answer is the same. So therefore, lambda multiplied by A plus B is equal to lambda A plus lambda B. Proved. So we have shown that this is equal to this. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok at Shabest Online.